everybody, this is Manpreet and welcome back to my booktube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the books which I read last year. Before I begin with this video, I must tell you about some things which are very important if you are planning to watch this video. So number one is that I have shot this video in the style I shot my bookshelf tour. I have linked that video down below, and that video is like I just showed the books and I didn't have any kind of explanation or introduction to the book, otherwise the video would be too long. Number two is that I took up a book reading challenge in 2015 and I was supposed to read 50 books in 2015, but I completed only 37 books. That is, I completed the 74% of my book reading challenge, and I am hoping that I will complete my reading challenge this year. Number three is that I read 13,407 pages in 2015. That's a good score. The shortest book that I read was of 116 pages and the longest book that I read was of 800 pages. So the longest book was The Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix by J.K. Rowling, and the shortest book was Arithmetic of Press and Other Stories by Rochelle Podker, and I have also reviewed that book on this booktube channel, so I'll link it down below. In case you want to see the reviews of all the books which I read last year, you can go to my blog phoenixpost.com. I'll link the post where I have done the whole roundup thing down below, so check the description at the end of this video. And now let's begin with the video. One more thing is that I am going to list the books which I read in the order of how I read them. So the first book would be in the first place and the last book would be in the last place. Rear View My Roadie's Journey by Raghu, Dreams Don't Lie by Anusua M, Fade into Red by Reshma K. Barshikar, Rape Scars by Gaurav Sharma, 50 Shades of Grey by E.L. James, Wasted in Engineering by Prabhu Swaminathan, Ramayana, The Game of Life, Shattered Dreams by Shubha Vilas. It's, I think, the second book in the series. Rise of Grey Prince by Arka Chakrabarti. This is also a second book in a series. The Recession Groom by Vani. The Comfort of Black by Carter Wilson, which is an e-book which I read. The Case Files of P.I. Pojo, Killing of Mr. Headcoat by Meghna Singhi, which is a children's book and very interesting book. The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins. The Choice by Nicholas Sparks. Catching Fire by Suzanne Collins and Mockingjay by Suzanne Collins, Mistress of Honor by Bhavna Arora, Marked by PC and Kristen Cast, India on a Platter by Saranj Goyla, Betrayed by PC and Kristen Cast, The Arithmetic of Press and Other Stories by Rochelle Podker, Chosen by PC and Kristen Cast, The Curse of Surya by Dev Prasad, two books in the Ajay series, that is Roll of the Dice and The Rise of Kali by Anand Neelakantan, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stones and Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets by J.K. Rowling, The House That BJ Built by Anuja Chauhan, Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief by Rick Riordan, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban by J.K. Rowling, True Believer by Nicholas Sparks, 50 Shades of Darker by E.L. James, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix and Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince by J.K. Rowling, Mrs. Funnybones by Twinkle Khanna, The Ice Princess by Camilla Lackberg, and finally Fangirl by Rainbow Rowell. So these were the 37 books which I read in 2015, and I really want to know about the books you read in 2015. So comment down below with the whole list of books you read in 2015, and I would love you for that. And that's it for today's video. I'm going to come up with my 2016 bookish resolutions video very soon, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit thumbs up and comment down below with whatever you want, whatever you think about this video, and I'll see you soon. This is Manpreet signing off.